Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning children. Today is our second day and exercise 2B. In your previous class you did about exercise 2A, 4 digit numbers chapter second. We all know what is 4 digit numbers and what is the smallest number of 4 digits and what is the largest number of 4 digits. Here is type 1 question of exercise 2B. Write the place value of encircled digits. You have to write the place value of encircled digits. Here is the 4 that is encircled and you have to write the place value of these digits. We all know the place value of any digit depends on their position in numbers. What is the position of 4 in these numbers? These 2 for ones, 4 for tens and 5 for 100, 7 for 1000. You have to find out the position of 4 tens means value of and means the place value of 4 is 4 into 10 equal to 40. This is the place value of encircled digits. And your next type, write the following numbers in expanded form. You have to write these numbers in expanded form. This is ones, 8 for tens, 5 for 100 and 7 for 1000. You have to write it in expanded form. 7000 means 7000 plus 500 plus 8 tens plus 6. This is our in expanded form. And next type is write in short form. So you have to write these given numbers in short forms. Here is 8000 in digits, 400, 0 tens plus 6 ones. You have to write it these numbers in short form. 8000, 400, 0 tens and 6 ones. Write it here 8400, 0 tens and 6 ones. This is in our short forms. And next type is underline the correct number. Here are some numbers given. You have to underline the correct number. Here is 4000, 200, 0 tens and 2 ones. 4000, you have to write it in digits. 4000 plus 200 plus 0 tens plus 2 ones. What is the value of this? It is in our expanded form. We have to write this in short form 4202. Which one is the correct option? 4202. This is the correct number of these given numbers. And your next type is the next type question is write the successor. When we have to find the successor of any numbers, we have to add 1 in it. Here is 1298. We have to find the successor of these numbers. So we have to add 1 in it to find the successor of any numbers. 8 plus 1 9, 9, 2 and 1. 1299 is the successor of 1298. Write the predecessor. 3412. When we have to find the predecessor of any number, we have to minus 1 digit of the given number. 3412 minus 1 equal to 1, 1, 4 and 3. 3411 is the predecessor of 3412. And the next type question is the find the sum of the place value of 2 fives in 6505. You have to find out the place value of these 2 fives. Here is the question 6505. You have to find the sum of the place values of these 2 fives. The place value of this 5 is 5 and the place value of this 5 is ones, tens and 100. With the 500 and now find the sum of these 2 fives. 500 plus 5 The place value of this 5 is 500 and the place value of this 5 is 5, and we have to find the sum of these two 5s. 8505. It is the sum of the place value of these two 5s in 6505. And the next type and last type of this exercise is find the difference of the place value and face value of first 6 from left in 5766. You have to find out the place value of 6 and the face value of 6 and difference of the place value and the face value. Here is 5766. This 6 for ones, this 6 for tens, 7 for 100 and 5 for 1000. $5,766. You have to find out the place value and the face value of 6. The place value of 6 is 60. This 6 for ones, this 6 for tens, this 7 for 100 and this 5 for 1000. 6 tens means 60 and the place value of this 6 is 6. So the difference between this place value and this place value is 10 minus 6 equal to 4 and this is 554. 54 is our answer. This is total exercise 2B. Good morning children. Again your exercise 2C, chapter 2nd, 4-digit numbers. In your exercise 2A and 2B, you did about 4-digit numbers, and this is your last exercise of chapter 2, exercise 2C. Exercise 2C, type 1 question, put the correct sign. You have to put the correct sign in these boxes to find out which one is greater than and which one is smaller than and which is equal to of their numbers. We all know how we compare the numbers between. How we compare the number, which one is greater than and which one is smaller than. Here is 1 and here is 5. We all know 5 is greater than 1. So 5649 is greater than 1098. And second question, 9568, 2187, which one is greater than? Here is 9 and here is 2. So 9568 is greater than 2187. Here is third type 7 and here is 7, both are equal. Here is 4 and here is 4, both are equals. And here is 1 and here is 1, both are equals. Here is 8 and here is 8, both are equals. So 7418 is equal to this 7418. And type 2 is arranged in ascending orders. In ascending order, we have to write the smallest number of the given series. So, which one is the smallest number of this given series? Here is 1, here is 4, and here is 1, and here is 1. This is the largest number. And here is 1, here is 2, here is 2, and here is 1. So, 1129 is the smallest number of this given series. Now we have to compare between these two numbers, this and this. Here is 1 and here is 1, here is 1 and here is 2. Here is 9 and here is 7. So write here 1273 and here is 1 and here is 4. So write this number 1297 and last 4932. This is our in ascending order. In ascending order, we have to write the smallest number. First of all, we have to write the smallest number, and in last, we have to write the largest number of the given series. And next type, arrange in descending order. In descending order, we have to write the largest number, and in last, we have to write the smallest number of the given series. Which one is the largest number of this given series? Here is 2, here is 4, and here is 2, here is 4. This 4 and this 4, here is 1, and here is 1. Here is 0 and here is 2. So 4126 is greater than 4109. So first of all 4126 and then 4109. Then here is 2133 and here is point 136. This is in our descending order. This is your type 3. And your next type is form the greatest number with the digits. Here are some digits given. You have to form the greatest number of this, of the help of these digits. To form the greatest number, we have to write first of all which one is the greatest number. 1, 5, 6 and 4. 6 is the largest digit. And then after 5. And then after 4. And last 1. 6541 is the greatest number. That shows these digits in a series. And next type, form the smallest number with the digits. Same question, here you have to form the greatest number and here you have to form the smallest number. To form the smallest number, first of all you have to write the smallest digit of the given series. 1 is the smallest digit of this given series, and then after 3, and then after 4 and last 9. Your answer is 1349. And your next type is write 5 4-digit numbers using the digits. Here are some 4 digits. You have to form 4-digit numbers with the help of these digits. Let's just start. First number 5, 1, 8 and 3. And second number 1, 8, 3 and 5. And third number 8, 3, 5, 1. And the last number that can be found with the help of these digits is 3, 5, 1 and 8. This is 4 digit. Sorry, 4 and lastly 5. 8, 5, 3, 1. Here is the 5 4-digit numbers. Here that all are 4-digit numbers. And the number of these 4-digit numbers are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 that are formed by these digits. And the next type, encircle the smallest number. You have to find out which one is the smallest number of this given series. Here is 3. Here is 9, here is 2 and here is 5. Which one is the smallest number? 2743 is the smallest number of this given series. And the next type is encircle the greatest number. You have to encircle the greatest number of the given series. First of all, you have to find out which one is the greatest number of this given series. You have to compare of all numbers which one is greater. Which one is the greatest number? There is 9, 8, 5 and 2. Which one is the greatest digit? 9 is the greatest digit of this given series. So 9832 is the greatest number of this given series. And there is the last type of your exercise 2C. Write all 4-digit numbers using 2, 5, 8 and 6 starting with 2. We have to write 4 digits with the help of these digits that starts with 2. So write here all 4-digit numbers. 2586, 2856, and the third number 2685, and the last code that formed by the help of these digits and starting with 2, 25, 28, 26, 2, 6, 5 and 8. That is the 4 digits number that formed by the help of these digits. And I start with 2, here is 2, here is 2 and here is 2 and last here is 2. This is all your exercise 2C.
Thanks for watching this video.